Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine. And in today's video, I'll be showing you SeatGeek how to add to Apple Wallet. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to add SeatGeek tickets to Apple Wallet, the first thing that you need to do is open SeatGeek. So simply head over to the browser and type in SeatGeek.com, or simply open up the application if you have already downloaded it, and then once inside, simply sign into your account. Use the same email you used to buy the tickets. The next is to open your tickets by simply tapping on the tickets icon on the bottom of your screen and selecting the event, and then once done, simply tap the ticket you want to add. Then next step is to add to Apple Wallet. Simply tap on Add to Wallet option and then leave the ticket details. Then simply tap on Add once again, and your ticket is now saved in Apple Wallet. Where to find it later? Simply open up the Apple Wallet, and then your ticket appears automatically on event day. You can stamp it directly at the venue as well. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.